Hello everyone, I like to share a wonderful, sandy, lovely beach near the Muscat in Oman that we have recently visited.
Daddy, my sandal.
I told you that's why, no, don't fall down. Oh, the boat took us here. It's cost just 15 riyal. They gave us 1 hour to enjoy this beach. Look around me. It's beautiful and lovely. We are all alone here.
This beach is a lovely and sandy paradise away from all the stressful, busy urban location. Since it is isolated beach, it is better to take all the necessity like snack, water bottle and power bank for your electronic devices. Now let me share how to get to this lovely beach from the Muscat. This beach is located near the Qantab beach, which is just about 30 minutes drive away from the Muscat. Easiest way to find the location is just type Qantab beach on Google Map and follow the location, which will take you to Qantab village and beach. From there, you will need to take a boat trip that will show you around the coastline, which will cost you just about 5 Omani riyal for each. An amazing experience to see around the beautiful coastline, and you can request the boatman to drop you at the beach for a swimming, and they will drop you this lovely beach. This beach is amazing, beautiful and sandy, and the view will make you relaxed from all your tiredness. And this beach is also has some facility like a washroom, a changing room. The best thing is that there will be almost no one, and you will be all alone on this beach and feel like you own the beach. The boatman will come back and pick you up after 1 or 2 hours depending on your request and drop you back to the Qantab beach.
That's not going to take over.
If you haven't been there and you want to have a relaxing day, just put this place in your bucket list. Thank you for watching and see you next time.